Hello everyone, welcome to Totally Dazzled. My name is Linda and I'm with Circle Heart Creations. Welcome and come on in. We're going to do a cute little craft tonight with some holiday embellishments or holiday pieces from Totally Dazzled. So y'all come on in and join me. Straighten my camera out. So I'm going to use this round from, I don't know where I got this. Maybe Hobby Lobby. And I've already kind of started on this house because I didn't. Anyway, I had this house and I was starting to craft with it one day and never finished it. So we're going to finish it today. It's just a little birdhouse. I have not done a birdhouse for the holiday yet, so we're gonna do one tonight. Paint this. I think we're gonna go with black on this. This is gonna be my base. So I'm going to put this aside. So it's just a wooden round that I got from Hobby Lobby. I think it was in a pack of so many. I don't even know. Now I'm going to do also on this, I really wanted a dark gray though. Let's see. I think we're going to do black. Never mind. We're going to do black because the base is going to be black. So I'm just going to look at this birdhouse. Isn't it cute? I think I got it from Hobby Lobby. Alright, we're going to use... Okay, so we're going to lay this paper down. Again, this paper, y'all, is... I want to say it's just... It has a pattern on it, you see? So I don't know if she put something on there. It feels like just copy paper. Somehow she put a pattern on it. I want to say it's like a lace or something she put on there. Or so, I don't know. I don't know how she did it. I'm just gonna lay this paper down with. I'm just using the Pint Art decoupage varnishing glue. Alright, so we got, yeah, I got some paint right up here, but I'll fix that. So this is, so it's kind of a tan color, you could say. And again, I just got this, it looks like it's just copy paper and she's coffee stained it. And I got this when I went thrifting. She had this lady in a booth had a pack of these papers, and I just bought it. Okay. Alright, y'all, so this is Birdhouse. Cute, cute. I like the colors. Alright, so now I'm going to paint the front. I think I'm just going to use this Paint Pixie paint. It's not too bad. It's going to end up having stuff around it anyway, so. Yeah, I think I'm going to do black on the bottom. Alright, so here's our birdhouse. We're going to put greenery on it anyway, so... Alright, so what I'm going to do is we're going to start embellishing now, the fun part. Right here in the middle, or where that little hole is, we're going to do... bit of hot glue. Okay, so that's our, isn't that cute? That little, I just want to finish this part. So I'm going to use some snow text. We're going to use some snow text here. Real quick. Just going to use it. I don't know if I want to use a brush. I don't have anything else right here. So the snow text, I think I got this from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so we have a little snowy. Now you could have left it black if you want to, just not even put this part, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Okay, so this is what I'm using. Now, I'm not gonna glue this on, well, no, I won't glue it. Yes, let's glue it because I don't want it to move around. Alright, so here is our, and I just made this little platform because then you can embellish it however you want. So I just got this pick here. I am going to add this onto my rooftop up here. So I just put some greenery on one. I'm going to put it just on one side. But we are going to, I think I'm going to add a little bow up here just to dangle off the roof there. Because I need my bird. We're going to have a little red bird up here too. Anyway, so far we've got this. I'm going to use a little, I'm going to use several pieces here. The lollipop for sure is going to go here. Alright, let's put some greenery down. Let's see. I'm all over the map, y'all. I'm trying to figure this out. I'm trying to figure it out. Okay, we're just going to start laying this down. I'll put some greenery down here. Just laying down some greenery, just some greenery pieces down there, just for some color on my little platform. And we are going to use, like I said, I want this lollipop on here just to make it whimsical. I just like it. I don't know what it is about that lollipop, but I like it. So we're going to leave that on there. Y'all, you can just play around with these cute little pieces and make all this your own. And then, like I said, we have this that I am going to. There's our little Rudolph over here. I don't know why he's over there, but there he is. And then I think I'm going to put maybe a little tree there. I don't know. I could put this little tree right there too. Alright, y'all. We're going to put this tree on here too, I think. So have fun with it and go get you a pack. Alright, y'all. Good night. See y'all next time. Bye-bye.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.